Namaste, bonjour, hello, welcome to Amphenol Socapex AIMS division Pune, India. Amphenol Socapex have two manufacturing locations, one in France near Geneva and the other is in Pune, India, where we will have a tour today. We at Socapex AIMS manufactures connectors and added value cable harness for aerospace and military markets. We have completed 15 years of activity with a state-of-art manufacturing setup spreading over 10,000 square meter area and 700 employee strength. Now we will start with the plant tour, where we will walk through various manufacturing shops and one-of-a-kind connector assembly shop. So let's go.
So here I will show you Socapex AMS office area, which consists of different departments such as supply chain, procurement, customer service, engineering and finance. So now we are at Socapex AIMS cold forging facility, where semi-finished metallic components of a connectors are produced from raw material. This shop is equipped with billet cutting and stamping machines along with heat treatment facility. So now we will go through the shop.
Welcome to CNC machining shop. We have a state-of-art machining facility in AIMS Socapex Pune. Here we have a different kind of high precision CNC machines like Nakamura, DMG and Mazak. Here we are manufacturing different kinds of connector housing and cells which are specially used in the aerospace and military application. We used to machine on this machine different kinds of material like aluminum, titanium, nickel aluminum bronze and stainless steel. Let's have a walk into the shop. Please follow me. This is our auto tool crib system. All the tooling is managed here.
Welcome to AMS tool shop. Here we have excellent tool manufacturing mission facility which is import from German and Swiss. Here we are manufacturing all kinds of connector tools which is supplies to aerospace and military. Now we will have a walk through our shop floor. Here we have excellent inspection instrument facility which is dedicated for metrology.
Welcome to AIMS mold design. We have expertise in mold design for plastic injection molding, cable over molding, silicon molding, extrusion tool design and jigs and fixture. We are using Creo with specific manufacturing model to get best result. Also, we are using mold flow analysis to ensure everything before releasing mold design. We believe to make a simple and cost-effective design but significant.
Welcome to the Socapex AIMS molding shop. We have state-of-the-art facility to manufacture several plastic and silicone molded components. This includes 13 injection molding machines which are currently installed, which includes semi-robotics and fully electronic operation. Let me take you through the mold shop.
Hello, welcome to Socapex AMS laboratory. Here we are taking care of metrology, calibration and testing activity. We have all type of advanced measuring instrument and equipments. We have a vertex machine and UTM machines and power supply to confirm the drawing requirement as well as the product standards requirement.
Welcome to connector assembly line. We are here in a state-of-art manufacturing facility which includes automatic, semi-automatic and manual assembly lines. Herein we are using a state-of-art manufacturing technology to produce a very high and good quality of connectors which are used in several applications like in defense and aerospace. Our main goal is to produce a good quality product for our customers. In this situation of COVID-19, we are taking intensive care of our employees by providing them COVID-19 PPE kit. Here you can see we have maintained the social distancing by implementing the plexiglass on each workstations, and we have defined a micro zoning by defining these zonings everywhere so that the employees will remain within a micro zone and we can trace out the employees in case of emergency of COVID.
So we are at Socapex Ames cable assembly shop. Here we manufacture various value-added solutions for military market. Let me show you assembly shop. In this COVID-19 situation, we have implemented various safety measures such as flexi partitions and face shield.
I hope you all enjoyed the plant walkthrough with my teammates. I would like to just share in conclusion that Amphenol Socapex AIMS is a very unique company, and we are a team of passionate and highly skilled people, multicultural, connected and agile organization. Thank you very much.